Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Bia kharaglast. زمونږ نن پریزنټیشن د ایډیټینګ ډیټا په اړه دی. نو راځئ چې خپل پریزنټیشن پیل کړو. اضافه نمودنې معلومات یا اطلاعات editing data. Lesson 7A overview. Editing spatial data, navigation the editor toolbar, editing tools, simple editing functions, working with sketches, editing attribute data using the attribute dialog box on selected feature, editing attribute values, making schema changes to table. ArcGIS editable data format, shapefiles, personal and file geodatabase feature classes, ArcEditor, ArcInfo to edit ArcSTE geodatabase. The editor toolbar. All editing functions are controlled through the toolbar. With the edit tool. دا editor دی. د editor کې بیا مختلف کمانډونه دي. اوس که تاسو دا وګورئ دا دې ته وایي edit tools. دا چې کوم دی sketch tool. دا چې کوم دی task list. editor چې کوم دی edit session command. target layer, split tool, rotate tool, attribute dialog box, sketch properties. Managing edit sessions. Starting a session within one data frame at a time, within one geodatabase at a time, within one directory at a time. Saving edits during the edit session, at the end of the edit session, ending a session. Selecting features. Interactive or manual selection, pointing box line area. Selection menu by attribute by location. Choice of selectable layer. Simple editing functions. Moving. Click and drag delta XY coordinates. Set sticky move tolerance. Rotating others. Working with sketches. Use to create, modify, reshape features. Temporary graphic represents feature geometry. Left mouse button adds vertex or points. Double click or F2 key to finish sketch. Right click to access context menu. Using snapping. Layer snapping. Snap sketch to existing features, edge, vertex or endpoint. Edit sketch. Snap sketch relative to the current sketch. Edit task. Sketch tool works with the current task. Task examples. Create new features, modify feature, reshape feature, extend trim features, cut polygon features, autocomplete polygon. Create new feature task. Sketch is used to add new features to the target layer. Sketch tool. Target layer. Finish sketch. Edit toolbar menu. Operations also create new features. Modify feature task. Edit the vertices of an existing feature. Modify one feature at a time. Shortcut. Double click with the edit tool. Reshape feature task. Feature takes the shape of the intersecting sketch. Extend trim features and cut polygon. Extend trim features. Extend to sketch. You can see دا لاین تاسو ګورئ یو دا لاین دی دا لاین اکسټند شوی دی نو دې سره وصل شوی دی دې ته اکسټند وایي اوس که تاسو دا وګورئ دغه لاین چې دی دا لاین یې کراس کړی دی نو که دا لاین موږ دغه ساحه یا دغه ساحه کټ کړو دې ته ټریم وایي ټریم ټو رایټ اف سکیچ نو موږ رایټ ساید دغه دی دا ټریم کړی دی نو اکسټند او ټریم cut polygon feature دا polygon دی موږ غواړو چې په دوه برخو باندې وویشو cut into two parts په دوه برخو باندې تقسیم کړی دی auto complete polygon automatically maintain coincidence align new polygon with existing features creating a vertex or point intersection adds a vertex at the implied intersection of two segments. Distance. Add a vertex at given distances from 2 points. Absolute x, y. Adding curves. Sketch using a 3D point parametric regular arc. Start, second point, third point, end. Endpoint arc. Create curve based on previously sketched segment. Tangent tool. Trace tool. Trace along selected features. Select features. Click to start and stop the trace. Press O to specify an offset. Sketch context menus. Right click is location sensitive. Sketch context menu. Sketch tool. Context menu. Cursor directly over last vertex, cursor away from last vertex. Modifying existing features. Double click feature to expose sketch elements. Insert vertex, delete vertex. Move vertices delta xy or exact xy. Control sketch elements. Next sketch segment. Direction length. Direction based on existing features. Parallel to 7a exercise 7a overview. Add the editor toolbar and start an edit session. Explore the editing environment. Select snapping environment and tolerance. Select move, rotate and delete features. Edit vertex on existing features. Create features using the sketch tools. Create a new feature class in a new database. Lesson 7b overview. Editing spatial data, navigating the editor toolbar. Editing tools, simple editing functions, working with sketches, Editing attribute data using the attribute dialog box on selected features. Editing attribute values, making schema changes to tables. Editing attributes on an open table. Direct edit to a single cell. Use the field calculator. Calculate field values for an open table. Simple calculations or advanced functions in or out of an ArcMap edit session. Making schema changes. Sometimes the database structure must be updated. Add table fields, delete table fields, create new features, feature classes, and feature datasets. Create new personal geodatabases. Even good database designs cannot predict everything. ArcCatalog is the schema editor. Can add delete fields in ArcMap. Schema changes in ArcMap. Add fields must be outside edit session. Export data. Adding table fields in ArcCatalog. 1. Type in new field name. Choose the field type. Set the field properties. Schema changes with Arc Toolbox. Copy rows, create table, create feature class, convert data. Create new feature class. Similar to table but with geometry data type. Define geometry type. Define spatial reference. Exercise 7b overview. Use the field calculator to update values for a new field. Use the attribute editor to update feature attributes. Lesson 7 review. You must be an edit session in order to use the field calculator. True, false. Before you can edit a feature, you must first select it with the sketch tool. True, false. The task list controls what function the sketch tool can perform. True, false. You can save your edit while editing or at the end of the edit session. True, false. When editing a sketch, you are also altering the source data. All editing functions are controlled by the tools toolbar. True, false. What is a sketch? Lesson 7 review. How do you invoke the sketch context menu? Why is setting the snapping environment important? You can add a field to your attribute table in ArcCatalog while the table is active in ArcMap. True, false. ومن الله توفيق.